Who would be the audience for your media product?
Predominantly, I've targeted male from 20 years old to the late 20s. This is because their values and beliefs of mainstream media. This is a type of conformity that they believe in media of a set standard. The kind of mainstream that I've targeted was the Bourne Supremacy. There was many young adults to late 20s, which I've targeted, would like the Bourne Supremacy and the whole series of Bourne. This is because it creates a range of enigmas over the three films, and also it transpires with a load of action as well as a psychological thriller in some ways. They would like my media text. This is due to the fact that I've created aspects from the Bourne Ultimatum as well as other kind of action/thriller genres, and also added unique clippets from which they would enjoy.
How did you address your audience through concept and visual style?
The main theme from my media piece was mystery. Through mystery, I created two characters. One was a scientist who we saw, who was our main character. Another was an assassin. Now, this assassin we did not see his face or any other part of his body except him walking and getting closer to this scientist. This aspect of mystery, which I've incorporated from the Bourne Ultimatum, would extremely appeal to the audience who love the mainstream media, such as the Bourne Supremacy. That, inclined, would also be my target audience, because those who like mainstream media I've targeted.
What feedback did you get as you produced your film, and what changes did you make?
When I was producing my film, I got many feedbacks. One was to change my concept entirely. And originally, I was going for a sci-fi movie. However, I was told by my media teacher that it would be a plagiarism of a TV series called Flash Forward. Therefore, I thought what I could do with the current scenes I had. Therefore, I created an assassin and I created a scientist. This assassin was trying to stop the scientist uncovering something. Therefore, thus creating that, I created an even more powerful piece than I originally created.
What audience feedback did you get when producing the final sequence, and what improvements did you make?
From when presenting my title sequence, I got such improvements as my text, which introduced characters, and the film itself were extremely dull and boring. They were extremely dull in the way they were commonly used. I was told that I could have changed this. This would have made my media text much better, because it would have blended in with the action/thriller genre that I went for. However, the text I used was extremely dull and boring, and audiences wouldn't like this kind of style so early in a film.